Hey there, I'm David and today we get you started with your T-scan. Today we will unbox your system. Feel free to pause at any point to follow along. There are also chapter segments if you wish to skip ahead. Let's get started. The two cases next to me include everything what you need to run the system. Here you find the T-Track optical tracking device and its cable. Furthermore, we find some accessories here. These are inside the silver boxes. Let's take out this box here. In this box, we will find the T-Point touch probe. With this accessory, we would measure optically hard to reach areas. Now let us see what we find inside the smaller case. We need a laptop to operate the system. This device is called the controller. The controller synchronizes all system components. The other main component next to the T-Track is the handheld laser scanner. Underneath this layer we find its cable. Next to the laser scanner we see a holder. You can put the scanner onto the holder when you are not scanning. So let's take out the holder first. And now we can put the laser scanner onto it. Behind me you see the mobile tripod where you can mount the T-Track on. We also have a bigger stand which you can use, depending where you want to work with the system. If you experience anything different from what you have seen here, or if you have any issues with your T-scan, please reach out to us via support@handsonmetrology.com. For more tutorials, please check out our other videos. Thanks for watching and we will see you next time.